Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you phonic sounds in Hindi. First of all, I would tell you that what is phonic sounds. Phonic sounds is a connection between letters and sound links. It means it is a way of teaching how to read and write. It helps children identify, hear, and use different sounds that distinguish one word from another in the English language. Okay, viewers, now let's start. A, its Hindi sound is A, not A. A, Hindi sound is A. B, B. C, K, not S. Its Hindi sound is K. D, D. E, A. F, F, not F. It's F. G, G. H, H. I, E. J, J. K, K. L, L. M, M. N, N. O, O. P, P, not P. Q, Q. R, R. S, S, not S. T, T, not T. U, O. V, V. W, W. X, X, not X. X. Just like box, Xmas, X. Y, Y. Z, Z, not J. Z. For example, zoo. Z. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.